sisters. I am Muhammed and you are watching Little Preacher YouTube channel. Do you know what Allah says in Quran Pak about Jannah? وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَشْتَهِي أَنفُسُكُمْ, which means, and you shall have therein whatever your souls desire. So, why don't we try to get this heaven in which we will have what we desire? If we want twice, we just desire. If we want slides, we just desire. If we want our favorite food again and again, we just desire, and all the things will be there without any effort. There will be beautiful houses in which we will live forever with our loved ones. We have beautiful dresses of Jannah shining with beautiful attractive colors. We have gardens of gold and silver with waterfalls. We will meet with our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Sahaba, and there will be increments of things day by day, and we will be happy there forever. A beautiful garden with attractive waterfalls, rides, slides are waiting for us. So let's pledge from today we will make home in Jannah by adopting Sunnah life. So let's play a role to spread the holy life of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Muslim Ummah by sharing my videos. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. We will meet soon with my new videos. Be grateful and be happy. Fi amanillah.